I love the pink and blue Foxy packaging. One infused with green tea, glow boosting. This is a warming eye mask. Dental whitening strips, you guys. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yep, I'm right here where we left off, you guys. Looking at the big and beautiful display of body wash, body scrub, bath bombs, the whole skincare line. We have even more up top, including eye serums, jelly face masks, cleansing balms. We even have new bath bombs from Bolero, and we have body mists from Bolero. They're 4 ounces each. We have sweet orange and vanilla, fresh watermelon and sugar, wild strawberry and rose, and lastly, tropical pineapple and hibiscus. We also have 2 new hair masks, a super detox in fresh mint and witch hazel, and a mega moisture in coconut and mimosa flower. Yes, as promised, you guys, I'm going to take you to this other end cap because we have a couple more fragrances that I didn't share. We have a face exfoliator and moisturizer in tea tree and aloe vera. We also have papaya and mango moisturizer, exfoliator, toner, and glow drops. Please let me know in the comments if you've tried the glow drops. Do they make your skin glow? Do they give you that, like I just put on my highlighter shine? Please tell me, because I'm so in love with like the glowy look. But as promised, here we go, you guys. We are gonna run back down. Yes, we are gonna run back down and we're gonna look at makeup. I promised makeup. I'm gonna show makeup. Okay, so here we go. Oh, before I show you guys the makeup, check this out. We have bubble tea lip smackers. Aren't those cute? Okay, we're gonna go down this way and turn around, and I'll show you guys what's new. I know you guys love looking at the makeup here in Dollar Tree. Also, I know you guys are like, you just keep going past the makeup. Look at this, you guys. We have teeth whitening strips. We have dental whitening strips, you guys. Can you believe that these are here? 6 in a box. That one was activated charcoal, but then we also have this one in coconut oil. I was super surprised to see those earlier. And here we are in the beautiful makeup section. I bought a nail polish earlier. I have not found the Sally Hansen nail polishes in my area yet, but if you guys ever see these, definitely try these. There's like probably 10 to 12 or 10 to 16 different varieties of these polishes, and I really, really love them. They're super tiny and cute. You need 2 to 3 coats, but I really like them. Like, the colors are really good, and the combos that they give you are really nice, and they're actually really pretty together. And then my store still has the Ioni. I'm sure you guys have seen that display by now. All of the Ioni products. Okay, are you guys ready? Because we have brand new beauty blenders. I love the pink and blue Foxy packaging. This is from B Color. We also have rose beauty blenders infused with rose oil. We also have new beauty blenders from Sassy and Chic. We have black ones, pink ones, even more from B Color, super cute panda. We have one infused with green tea. You know it's time to throw out that old beauty blender and just come get you a new one for $1.25. This is a really good one as well, and they get really big. I had purchased the pink and white one for Birdy, and she loves it. We just have so many new items from Be Pure and B Color. These are the little under eye jade rollers, and I think they would be really nice for targeted areas because you could really, you know, work that area. I think I want to get one. And the jade looks a little bit different on each of them. I really want to get one. think I'm gonna throw it in my cart. We also have the precision brushes and the heated eyelash curler combs, all from Be Pure. And then we have all of these new brushes from Sassy and Chic. If you guys watched my live in here, then you guys probably saw me like show everyone. Basically, we have powder brushes, foundation brushes, contour brushes, small eyeshadow brushes, fan brushes, and we have this little pack down here. Pink with little palm leaves, and then we have this like blue animal print. Donna, I hope you're enjoying the narration. I'm trying to keep you in mind all the time. To those of you that may be vision impaired, I really do try to include a detailed narration for everyone watching. Now, these are new. These are little foot masks, and I love the packaging, orange and purple, and it has little hearts all over the little sock that you're going to put on your foot. That's lavender scented. And then we have a Moisture Balm Garnier Skin Active sheet mask, and it looks really luxurious and nice with the pink flowers on it. The super hydrating mask, glow boosting, wow, glow boosting and hydrating, intensely hydrates, gives a luminous complexion and healthy looking radiance. Love that. And then we have the silver, gold, and rose gold sheet masks from Freeman. Wow, you guys. We just have so many new items this week. This is a warming eye mask. 1 to a package. Super pretty. Super, super pretty. Let's see what else we can find over here. Oh, the facial brushes. Now, you guys have probably seen these before, but we have sponge replacement heads, a foot pumice replacement head, a cleansing brush replacement head, and a charcoal infused replacement head. So whether you want to use this for your face or for your feet, we have replacement head options in here. I really do want to get the jade roller though. This one kind of looks different. I think I'm going to get one that's like authentic to what jade should look like. Yeah, I want to try that. I like the little wooden brush too, or the little wooden stick, whatever you want to call it. Excuse me, honey. I am. Yeah, Dollar Tree video. I have a shopping channel. Bunny, Birdy, Gator.
Okay.
Yeah, check it out. I like to show all the new stuff.
Yeah, I will for sure.
Thanks, honey. Okay, you guys, we're gonna keep it moving. Actually, let's take one final look over here. Let me know down in the comments, have you guys found the Sally Hansen polishes yet? Because I really want to find those. I think this one is new from Kiss. Sort of a grayish, dusty, like cornflower blue. It's actually really pretty. I like this gray as well. I struck out for so long with Kiss polish, and I realized that for Kiss to work for my nails, I needed to file my nails first, like file the actual tops of my nails with one of those soft emery board files, and then it stayed on really, really well. Those are nice polishes. I have so many polishes, but I don't know. I might go back and grab one. Anyways, you guys, that's it for the makeup aisle. Definitely come back to my very next video. I think I might have time to film one more video, so definitely hit that little button and subscribe if you enjoyed coming along. I'd love for you guys to join the Bunny, Birdy, Gator family. But all right, you guys, I'm off to the next video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.